In 2026, the biggest nightmare for global corporations is carbon. With carbon border taxes fully enforced, pumping smoke into the air is now a financial death sentence. Factories that pollute simply cannot export their goods. But there is a company turning this industrial trash into liquid gold. Today, we deep search the leader in carbon capture and transformation, LanzaTech LNZA. Think of a brewery. Yeast eats sugar to make beer. LanzaTech does the same with a sci-fi twist. Inside massive bioreactors, special microbes eat pollution. Carbon monoxide from smokestacks. They excrete industrial-grade ethanol. They are turning smog into a resource. Why ethanol? Look at aviation. Cars are electric, but planes cannot be, batteries are too heavy. The only solution for airlines is Sustainable Aviation Fuel (SAF). With 2026 global mandates, airlines are desperate for this fuel. But supply is scarce. Enter LanzaJet, LanzaTech's subsidiary. They take that ethanol and use alcohol-to-jet (ATJ) technology to turn it into premium SAF. LanzaTech captures the carbon, LanzaJet turns it into fuel. This complete supply chain is why Microsoft and Shell are backing them. It's not just fuel. Through Carbon Smart, that ethanol becomes polyester and plastic. Zara dresses, L'Oreal bottles, Adidas shoes, major brands are making products from recycled pollution. Consumers get sustainability, companies get ESG ratings. It is the circular economy in action. The business model is the best part. They get paid twice. 1. Steel mills pay LanzaTech to process waste gas, saving on taxes. 2. LanzaTech sells the fuel ethanol made from that free raw material, getting paid for ingredients in the product. A margin expanding machine. Historically, high startup costs held the stock back. But in 2026, we hit the tipping point. Regulatory pressure is high, and demand for SAF is infinite. The tech is proven, plants are running, and the market is starving for their product, turning smokestacks into oil wells. LanzaTech is leading this revolution. I've compiled a report on their project, pipeline, and price targets on my blog. Check the link in the description. Like and subscribe.